Hi friends, welcome back to our channel. Today we are going to discuss about Hill cipher, 2 by 2 Hill cipher. The Hill cipher is developed by Leisure Hill in 1929. First encryption. Okay, so we have to generate cipher text from the given plain text. Okay, so k into p mod 26. Here k is equal to key matrix and p equals to plain text, c equals to cipher text. This is the plain text. Let's take an example. Plain text is attack, ATT-ACK. Key is 2 by 2 matrix, 2, 3, 3, 6 values. So we have to divide the given plain text into 2 into n type of matrices. Okay, let's divide it a bit, because this is a 2 by 2 matrix. For n by n matrix you have to divide n into 1, n into 2, so on n, up to completion of the plain text. Okay, in this plain text there are 6 characters, ATT-ACK, ATT-ACK. So here 3 matrices, 3 vectors are generated. Okay, for the encryption formula we have to get the ciphertext is key into plain text modulus of 26. Okay, this is the key matrix, this is the plain text. So we have to use this table. Okay, a value 0, b value 1, up to so on z value 25. According to this table, first one is AT. AT means a equals to 0. Next t value is 19. Okay, that's why we put 0 and 19 here. Okay, k into p, k value 2, 3, 3, 6, p value, that means p1, first vector value 0, 19. Multiplication 2 into 0, 3 into 19, row into column, first row first element into column first element, plus first row second element into first column second element. This is matrix multiplication. Modulus of 26. 2 into 0 plus 3 into 19, 57. 3 into 0 plus 6 into 19, 114. Modulus of 26. After applying modular 26 on 57, remainder is 5. After applying the modular 26 on 114, value is 10. So the ciphertext is generated. 5 value is F, 10 value is K. For the first vector, for the first plain vector, the ciphertext is FK. Next one, TA, same, key into plain text, 19 into 0, T means 19, A equal to 0. Okay, multiplication, same, applying mod 26, we will get 3857 mod 26. Applying the mod 26, modular of 26, 38, 26, remainder is 12, 57, 26, 26 to the 52, remainder is 5, 12 comma 5. Okay, 12 value is M, 5 value is F. Okay, MF. Next value CK. Next 2, 3, 3, 6. Key value, plain text, C value is 2, K value is 10. Multiplication 2 into 2 plus 3 into 10, 3 into 2 plus 6 into 10, modular of 26. 34, 66, modular of 26. 34, 26, remainder 8. 66, 26, that means 26 to the 52, remainder is 14. 8 value is I, 14 value is O, IO. So the given plain text is attack. The generated ciphertext is after encryption FKMFIO. Okay, by using this Hill cipher, encryption is done. This is the given plain text and this is the key matrix. Okay. we generated the ciphertext as fkmf-info. Okay, now we have to decrypt. That means we have to take this ciphertext fkmf-info and generate the plain text attack. The decryption, how to perform decryption, let's see. Decryption formula is plain text equals to k inverse into c modulo of 26. Here we have to generate ciphertext, so we are taking c as left hand side and key into plain text. P means plain text, given plain text and key. Using this given plain text and key, we have to generate ciphertext. Formula is c equals to kp mod 26. Okay, c is equals to kp mod 26. Okay, next decryption, we have to generate plain text using key and given ciphertext. Okay, ciphertext ct is equals to given ciphertext fkmf-info, given key matrix k equals to 2 3 3 6. Okay, given key matrix 2 3 3 6. So we have to find k inverse first. Okay, first we have to find the multiplicative inverse of a matrix. First you have to find determinant of that matrix. So determinant of k equals to 2 3 3 6. That means AD minus BC. For example, given matrix A equals to A B C D, then det A equals to AD minus BC. So this is the formula to find the determinant of a given matrix. Okay, so 2 into 6 minus 3 into 3, 12 minus 9 equals to 3. This is det k. Okay, det k value is 3. Next we have to find the multiplicative inverse of determinant k. Mod k into k dash equals to 1 mod 26. Okay, I'm writing once again. Mod k to k dash 1 mod of 26. This is the rough work. Okay, mod 26. Det k value 3. Okay, k into k dash is equals to 1 mod 26. So here we have to use hit and trial method. Hit and trial method means just we have to substitute some value for the k dash and we have to choose it from the answer. Okay, 3 into k dash is equals to 1 mod 26. 1 mod 26 means after performing the modulus operation, we have to get the remainder as 1. So 1 mod 26 okay, in 1 mod 26, how we will get 1? Either the value is 1. So if a mod b equals to a, if a less than b. Second one, a mod b equals to remainder if a greater than b. So this is the criteria range for modulus operation. Okay, let us see 1 mod 26. So we'll give the 1 because a is less than 26. So next, when we will get 1? Next to 26 plus 1, 27 mod 26 will give 1 because in 1 mod 26 means 26 1, 21 0 0, remainder 1. Okay, next 27 mod 26 26, 27, 27 ones are 26 ones are 26, remainder 1, remainder also 1. So 27 mod 26 also gives 1. Next 26 to the 52, so plus 1. 26 into 2 plus 1 mod 26 gives 1. 26 into 2 52 plus 1 mod 26 will gives 1. So 53 mod 26 gives 1. But here we have to choose 3 into k dash equals to 1. So 3 into k dash equals to 1, then k dash value will be either 27, that means after multiplicating we have to get 27 or 53. 27 is very easy, 3 into 9 equals to 27. So here the k dash value will be 9. 3 into 9 27. 27 equals to 1 mod 26 is equals to 1. So the k dash value will be 9. Let's take another example. Okay, let us take the another example. For example 5 into k dash is equals to 1 mod 26. Here we have to choose. Let k dash value will be 5. 5 into 5 is equals to 1 mod 26. So 25. 25 mod 26 will gives 25. So k value not 5. Next to k value 11. 5 into 11 mod 26. 55 mod 26. Then it will gives 3. 26 to the 52. Remainder is 3. So not 11. Let us take 21 mod 26. Okay, 5 into 21 mod 26. Then 21 into 5 105 mod 26. Okay, this will gives 1 because 26 into 4 104. Here 105 is coming, so remainder will 1. So here the k value will be 21. K dash value will be 21. So 5 into 21 mod 26. So this is the another example. So we have to use for this hit and trail method for the finding of k dash. But here the value is 3 into k dash is equal to 1 mod 26. So we have to get 26 plus 1 value to get the remainder 1. So 26 plus 1 or 52 plus 1, like that. So 26 plus 1 27. 27 means 3 into k dash equals to 27. K dash value will be 9. Okay, 3 into 9 equals 27. Okay, k dash value will be 9. So det k value is 3, k dash value is 9. Okay, but finding multiplicative inverse, the formula is we have to get the adjoint matrix A also. Okay, we have to get the adjoint matrix A also. Okay, the formula for k inverse is, this is the k inverse, but the value we have to find k inverse value. K inverse value is 1 by det k into adjoint k. This is the formula for k inverse. This will be written as k inverse equals to mod k dash into adjoint of k. Okay, k dash equals to k dash into adjoint of k. 1 by det A equals to k dash. Okay. 1 by det k equals to k dash. This is equals to k dash. So we have to get this formula. First we have to get k inverse value. After we have to multiply with ciphertext, and after applying modulo of 26 we will get plain text. K inverse equals to 1 by det k into adjoint of k. That means k dash. K dash value 9. We have to find adjoint of k. Adjoint of k. Let's take A equals to A, B, C, D matrices. Then adjoint of A equals to D minus B minus C, A. This is the formula for adjoint of A. Then K value is 2, 3, 3, 6. Okay, K value, key value 2, 3, 3, 6. Then adjoint of K equals to adjoint of 2, 3, 3, 6 is equals to D. That means 6 minus B minus 3. Next minus C minus 3 A. So these 2 and 6 are interchanging, and these positive 3 values are applying the negative on the front side. So that will convert to negative numbers, minus 3 minus 3. So here before decryption we have to add 26 to the negative numbers, because in this table we don't have negative numbers. We have only 0 to 25. 26 numbers only present. Okay, so we have to add this 26. So 6 6 6 minus 3 plus 26 minus 3 plus 26 2. 6 6 6 minus 3 plus 26 gives 23. This is also 23. This is 2. Adjoint k equals to 6 23 23 2. Okay. Next, first we have to get the formula. Plain text equals to k inverse into C mod 26. So here we want to find k inverse. Formula for k inverse equals to 1 by det k into adjoint k. 1 by det k value is k dash. K dash is equals to 9. Okay, these 9 value, then we have to get adjoint of k. K dash into adjoint of k. Adjoint of k value is this one. So we are finding this k inverse. Okay, k inverse equals to 1 by det k into adjoint k. 1 by det k equals to k dash. K inverse equals to k dash value is 9. 9 into adjoint k. 9 into adjoint k. K value is adjoint k. 6 23 23 into 2. After multiplying we will get 6 into 9 54. 23 into 9 207. 23 into 9 207. 3 into 2 into 9 18. Okay, but these are very large values, 207 and 54. Okay, so let's find its modular of 26, because the value in k inverse matrix is very high. So after finding modular of 26, 54 means modular of 26 means 26 into 2 52, remainder 2. Next 207, 26 into 8 maybe, the value is 25. After getting 207 modular 26 we will get 25. 18 modular 26 will gives 18. Okay, this is the k inverse. Okay, this is the k inverse. Finally we derived k inverse value. So the formula is k inverse into C mod 26. Formula is, we have to get plain text, is k inverse into C mod 26. This is the formula. Here the k inverse value is 225 25 18. This is the k inverse value. Now we have to get the plain text. We have to multiply with the ciphertext, and after that applying modular of 26, then we will get the plain text. Now decrypt the ciphertext. FM FK MF IO. in the encryption we are taking plain text as attack. Okay, then we have getting the ciphertext as fkmfio. Okay, now in decryption we are taking this ciphertext to generate this plain text. Okay, the ciphertext is fkmfio. fkmfio. So the matrix k inverse matrix will be in 2 by 2. So we have to spread these values into 2 by 2 matrices, 2 by 1 matrices, 2 by n. Suppose there will be 8 characters, then 2 by 1 value matrices will be 4. Ciphertext 1, 2, 3, 4. This is 6 letters. So we are getting 3, C1, C2, C3, FK, MF, IO. So we are getting first ciphertext value, FK. According to this table, F value is 5. Next K value is 10. Okay. Formula is P equals to K inverse into C1 mod 26. C value, just we are spreading these 6 characters into 3 matrices, 3 vectors. That means C1, C2, C3. Now for C1 we are using this. Okay. K1 into C1, K inverse into C1 mod 26. K inverse value, this matrix 2, 25, 25, 18 into C1. We are taking F comma K as 5, 10, 5 into 10, 5 comma 10 mod 26 into 5 comma 10 mod 26 is 2 into 5 plus 25 10, 250 plus 10, 260. Next value is 305. 260, 305 mod 26. After applying the mod 26, we are getting values as 0 and 19. So here 0 is A, 19 is T, AT. For ciphertext 1 F comma K, after decryption we are getting AT. Okay, AT. This is the equation 1, for example. Next is C2 MF. Let's take MF. Okay, M value 12, F value 5, 12, 5. To get the plain text, formula is K inverse into C. K inverse into C mod 26. Let's take K inverse is 2, 25, 25, 18. Okay, next to C 12, 5 mod 26. Okay, after multiplying these two matrices we are getting 149, 390 mod 26. Okay, 2 into 22 plus 25 into 5. Next 25 into 12 plus 18 into 5. 149, 390 mod 26. After applying mod 26, we are getting 19 comma 0. Okay. According to this table, 19 value is T. Next 0 value is A. So this is T comma A. We are taking ciphertext to MF. Here MF we are getting TA. Okay. Next last one is IO. Taking IO. I value is 8. O value is 14. Okay. Formula is K inverse into C3 mod 26. K inverse 2, 25, 25, 18 into C 8 to 14. After multiplying these two, applying mod 26. After multiplying 2 into 8 plus 25 into 14, 25 into 8 plus 18 into 14. So we are getting 366 comma 452 modular 26. After performing modular operation on 366 and 452, we are getting 2 comma 10. So according to this table, 2 is C and 10 is K. CK. So we are taking the ciphertext as FKMFIO here. Okay. We are getting plain text as first one is AT, second one is TA, third one is CK, ATT, SK, attack. So in the first step we are taking the encryption, same, plain text is attack, and we are getting ciphertext FKMFIO. Here we are taking decryption FKMFIO and we are generating plain text attack, same. So this is the 2 into 2 Hill cipher.